So reporting in Smart Campaign, it looks the same like standard campaign, but here we have like a group of products. And as you see here, you can see the costs, you can see the average CPC, etc. Click share, search, impression share, and you can see the conversion here. It's pretty similar like the standard campaign, but here, as I said before, this campaign runs by itself, so it's automatic. It's machine learning, so you cannot change bidding on anything else, except here in the location. If we click here the location, you can see our targeting here Canada, but inside Canada we can now which province or which city is driving more clicks or more sales. In this case, you have to add here all the cities that I want. So you can add provinces like Quebec, and you can add other provinces like Ontario. And when you finish adding all provinces or cities, you can click save. Then later you will see, after a while, you will see all the clicks or the impressions share in the specific province. Then you will decide which one is good for you, or which one you have to adjust the bid on, increases by 10 or by 15 or etc. This is a good one. Also, you can work on the devices. As you see here, in the past 30 days, we have like the impressions here in the mobile phones is more than computer or tablets. Here we have 31 clicks, and we have the one conversion only in computer. Here we can adjust the bid like in mobile phone or on a computer or tablets. Of course, you can do that after a while, after you get enough impressions or conversions. Unfortunately, here you cannot change the bid for the mobile or the computer, but you can in the campaign setting like choose which device you want your ads to be shown in. So in this case, this is what we can see in the reporting. Even if you can change only add the locations, then you can see the location reports here in provinces or cities. But other things, it's machine learning, so it is Smart Campaign. That's how it is.